Welcome to the Biotech Signals series of the Micromolar podcast. Today is Thursday, August 6th, 2026.
Intellia says it has found a genetic risk factor that may help explain liver complications observed in one of its gene editing trials. This is potentially important well beyond a single program. Identifying patients who are predisposed to toxicity could improve screening, trial design, and the overall safety of in vivo CRISPR medicines.
Moderna has secured FDA approval for its flu vaccine, marking a significant expansion beyond its COVID-19 franchise. The decision is especially notable because the program had encountered a public regulatory dispute and earlier uncertainty.
Tarsus is investing $450 million in Alkeus' treatment for Stargardt disease, a rare inherited retinal disorder with limited therapeutic options. The transaction gives Tarsus a significant rare eye disease growth opportunity and places substantial value on the program's clinical and commercial prospects.
LifeMine has secured $263 million to advance an immunosuppressive therapy intended to improve care following organ transplantation. Existing medicines can prevent rejection, but often create serious infection, kidney and metabolic risks, so a safer option could address a major long-term treatment problem.
Lilly and the FDA are approaching a key decision over whether retatrutide should be regulated as a biologic. That classification could affect the application pathway, manufacturing requirements, exclusivity framework, and possibly the timing of Lilly's submission. Because retatrutide is one of the most closely watched next-generation obesity drugs, what sounds like a technical disagreement could carry major commercial consequences.
Takeda has received FDA approval for an orexin-targeting medicine for narcolepsy type 1. Rather than only treating sleepiness symptomatically, orexin therapies are designed around a biological pathway central to the disease itself. The approval could establish an important new drug class and encourage further development across sleep and wakefulness disorders.
Vedanta has secured $60 million to complete a phase 3 trial of its microbiome-based treatment for recurrent C. difficile infection. The program aims to restore healthy gut bacteria rather than relying solely on repeated antibiotic treatment. A successful pivotal study would provide another major test of whether standardized microbiome medicines can become scalable, routinely prescribed products.
Sarepta has pushed back an expected timeline involving Elevidys, its Duchenne muscular dystrophy gene therapy. Any delay is meaningful given the intense regulatory, safety, and commercial scrutiny surrounding the product. Investors will be watching for whether the change reflects administrative timing, additional data requirements, or a more substantive challenge to the program.
Those are all the biotech signals for today. Thanks for tuning into the Micromolar podcast.